Hi everyone, my name is Miss Bleasdale and I am the teacher of A-level psychology at the Garibaldi School. So most people think that psychology can give you telepathic skills. This is false. What psychology can give you is it can provide a vast insight into the mind, the brain and different human behaviours and why we behave the way we do in different situations. Psychology A-level is a fantastic, interesting, but it is also a challenging subject and it's best taken alongside a complementary subject such as maths or English. So what can you get from psychology to enhance your life? It can enhance your own understanding of yourself, particularly if you have a career or a dream in wanting to become a manager or have a senior leadership role, because it helps you to make difficult decisions under high pressured environments. It can help you to gain the understanding of others in different situations, and this is really sought after from employers. It can help you to develop your communication skills effectively to ensure that you will succeed in almost every workplace. And it can develop your research skills and your critical thinking, for psychology experiments can be incredibly scientific and validated by numerical research. So different careers that are linked to psychology. You could become a forensic psychologist and help to solve crimes. You could be an arbitrator, mediator and conciliator. So that is someone who helps to resolve conflict. You could be a consumer scientist, and that is someone who gives advice to retail manufacturers on why people buy their products and services. You could become a cognitive behavioural therapist. So this is where you use talking therapy to help patients improve their mental health. You could become a counsellor, and this is when you help people to discuss and overcome their problems and feelings. You could even become a school psychologist and investigate the processes of teaching and learning. And finally, you could become a hypnotherapist, so you could help people to relax. So why psychology at the Garibaldi School? So here, the psychology curriculum at the Garibaldi School provides a detailed curriculum map outlining what is expected at different stages. So we start off with studying the very different approaches within psychology that help psychologists to understand different human behaviours and interactions. The psychology curriculum also develops an understanding of mental health issues, as well as psychological, behavioural and biological aspects of personality. Students here are always encouraged to develop their own awareness of contemporary issues within psychology, and this is developed through our half-term overviews. Teachers have really high expectations of all learners and will model how to learn through their teaching and the psychology curriculum at the Garibaldi School. And this is based around an independent, creative and collaborative learning. Students are encouraged to overcome problems that they may encounter with independence and confidence, developing sought-after transferable skills such as resilience, determination and a willingness to learn and reflectiveness, all really important skills for the workplace as well. So some popular topics that we study in psychology include forensic psychology, studying gender, and also we study schizophrenia as part of understanding mental health. And this is in order to develop our understanding of the studies and research behind these different factors and how this can be applied to society today. So what will you study and what is the final grades then? So you will get 3 different papers, and all 3 papers include a variety of assessed questions, including multiple choice, short answers and some extended writing. All 3 papers are equally weighted, and the percentage of the final grade is 33.3% each. You will spend 2 hours on each paper and they are worth 96 marks each. So at the end of year 13, you will sit 3 different papers. Paper 1 is the introductory topics in psychology, and this assesses the knowledge of social influence, memory, attachment, and psychopathology. Paper 2 is Psychology in Context, and this assesses the knowledge of approaches to psychology, biopsychology, research methods, and issues and debates in psychology. And then finally, paper 3 is Issues and Options in Psychology. So this is where you will be assessed on the knowledge of optional content, including gender, schizophrenia, and forensic psychology. So, conducting your own research then, you will get some time on this course to conduct your own experiment in psychology. And this is to develop your own knowledge around issues, debates and approaches. And students will have the opportunity to conduct their own research project. This will develop students' own independent research skills, wider reading skills as well, and independent development of knowledge of current issues and debates in society today. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to study what directly interests you, what you want to find out. And in this section of the course, you will design your own experiment to test that and offer your own hypothesis. You will focus on one specific factor of psychology, whether it's mental health, personality traits, conformity, and that's just to name a few. And you will develop your own scientifically proven data analysis in order to either support or refute your hypothesis. So that was a very brief introduction to psychology. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to email me at ableasdale@garibaldyschool.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.